Hello guys, in this video we will look at some of the best underseat luggage on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. TPRC 15-inch underseater carry-on. If you're tired of juggling bags at the airport or struggling to find an outlet for your devices, the TPRC Smart Underseat Carry-On might just be your new travel companion. Designed for efficiency and ease, this compact yet feature-packed suitcase makes every trip smoother. Sleek, smart, and built to last. Crafted from 1,680D polyester, this bag isn't just about looks, it's built for durability. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, you'll appreciate how well it holds up against the rigors of travel. The smooth and lined skate wheels ensure effortless maneuverability, gliding seamlessly through crowded terminals and narrow airplane aisles. Convenience at your fingertips. One of its standout features is the side USB charging port, a lifesaver for keeping your devices powered up on the go. Just remember to bring your own power bank. The open side pocket allows quick access to essentials like passports, boarding passes, or a water bottle, making those security checks stress-free. Perfectly designed for underseat storage. At 15 inches, this bag is compact enough to fit under most airline seats, yet spacious enough to hold your travel essentials. The fully lined interior and multiple accessory pockets help keep everything organized, from toiletries to tech gear. No more digging through a bottomless bag for your headphones or charger. A must-have for travelers, with its smart design, sturdy build, and practical features. The TPRC Smart Underseat Carry-On is a fantastic choice for anyone who values convenience and style. Number 2. Travelpro Maxlite 5 Underseat Tote. If you're looking for the perfect underseat carry-on that's lightweight, durable, and incredibly functional, the Travelpro Maxlite 5 Softside Rolling Tote is a game-changer. Designed for both men and women, this sleek, compact bag is ideal for quick trips or as an add-on to your full-size luggage. Ultra-light yet durable. At just 5.4 pounds, this bag is a half-pound lighter than the Maxlite 4, making it one of the lightest rolling totes out there. But don't be fooled by its weight. It's made from 100% polyester with a stain-resistant, water-repellent DuraGuard coating, ensuring it holds up against spills, scuffs, and travel wear and tear. Smooth rolling and easy handling. Navigating through airports has never been easier, thanks to its high-performance ball-bearing wheels and PowerScope light handle. These features reduce wobble and provide effortless maneuverability, whether you're rolling through a crowded terminal or a bumpy sidewalk. If rolling isn't your style, the rear stacking strap and top carry handle give you flexible carrying options. Smart storage and organization. Despite its compact dimensions, 13.75 x 16 x 8.5, this bag packs a punch when it comes to storage. The front flap pocket, roomy interior, and built-in compartments keep your travel essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. No more fumbling for your passport or charging cables. Number 3. Travelpro Crew Versapack Underseat Carry-On. If you're looking for an underseat carry-on that blends practicality, durability, and modern convenience, the Travelpro Crew Versapack Softside Rolling Bag is a top-tier choice. Whether you're a frequent business traveler or a weekend adventurer, this 16-inch rolling bag delivers smart storage, smooth maneuverability, and premium durability in one sleek package. Tech-savvy and travel-ready, one of the standout features of this bag is its built-in USB port, perfect for keeping your devices powered on the go. Just connect your FAA-compliant power bank, not included, and you'll never have to scramble for an airport outlet again. Plus, with padded sleeves for both a 14-inch laptop and a standard-sized tablet, your electronics stay secure and protected throughout your journey. Built for durability and smooth rolling, crafted from high-density ballistic nylon fabric with a DuraGuard coating, this bag resists stains, spills, and abrasions. It's also packed with built-in protection like corner armor, skid guards, and reinforced wheel housings, ensuring it holds up through years of travel. The PowerScope aluminum extension handle minimizes wobble, while the high-performance ball-bearing wheels make rolling effortless, even on uneven surfaces. Number 4. KROSER's 16-inch underseat carry-on. For travelers who need a compact yet functional carry-on, the KROSER 16-inch underseater is a fantastic choice. Whether you're heading on a quick business trip, an overnight stay, or a weekend getaway, this lightweight and multifunctional suitcase offers just the right blend of space, durability, and convenience. Perfect underseat size with maximum capacity. Designed to fit under most airline seats, this KROSER carry-on strikes a great balance between size and storage capacity. Despite its compact design, it provides ample space for your clothes, shoes, and travel essentials, making it a great all-in-one personal bag. Built to last, durable and secure, made from high-quality polyester with water-resistant and anti-scratch fabric, this underseater is built to withstand frequent travel. The reinforced bottom protection adds extra sturdiness, ensuring long-lasting use. Plus, the extra zipper lock enhances security, keeping your belongings safe from theft, something you don't always find in underseat luggage. Stylish options for everyone. Available in multiple colors like dark gray, navy, burgundy, army green, and more, you can choose a look that suits your style while standing out from standard black luggage. Final verdict: a functional and stylish underseat bag, the KROSER 16-inch carry-on is lightweight, well-organized, and durable, making it a perfect choice for business travelers, weekend adventurers, or anyone who needs a practical underseater. With its thoughtful design, secure features, and easy mobility, this is a bag that delivers on both style and function. Number 5. Mixi Hardshell Carry-On. When it comes to finding the perfect lightweight, durable, and stylish carry-on, the Mixi Hardshell suitcase checks all the boxes. Designed for business travel and long-term adventures, this sleek and modern spinner luggage offers superior durability, smooth maneuverability, and thoughtful security features. Tough yet lightweight, built with soft steel. The 3-layer bare PC polycarbonate shell, often called soft steel, makes this suitcase strong, scratch-resistant, and ultra-lightweight, outperforming ABS or ABS plus PC luggage. Whether you're navigating a bustling airport or handling rough baggage claim conditions, this suitcase is built to last. Plus, the fashionable, vibrant color options ensure you travel in style. Smooth and silent spinner wheels. Rolling through airports has never been easier. The multi-directional TP rubber wheels, equipped with lubricating balls, provide a whisper-quiet, smooth gliding experience. With thickened wheel construction, this suitcase can withstand up to 36 km of continuous rolling, 3 times the industry standard. Whether you're on a short getaway or a long-haul flight, you'll appreciate the effortless maneuverability. The Mixi Hardshell Carry-On delivers next-level durability, smooth mobility, and advanced security, all in a lightweight, stylish package. We hope you enjoyed our video and think you liked the products we selected. Let me know in the comments which product you liked the most. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.